Good morning from the beautiful Chiquimula in Guatemala. This is a special hideout location called Paragliding Chiquimula, and it's a place where you come and paraglide, also ride camels, and do all sorts of adventures. It's a beautiful resort in the mountains of Chiquimula, 1 hour away from Esquipulas, the basilica. There are cabañas, there's a swimming pool, there's a jacuzzi, and lots of entertainment. A great cafeteria with international cuisine and a bar with international drinks as well. So we are going to discover and find out more about NV Adventure Park in Chiquimula, Guatemala.
So we are here at the pool location where you could just sit down, relax, and enjoy a swim while you're enjoying the view. I mean, it's absolutely amazing here. The view is everything. Like, I just can't get over the view. Just the 360-degree view of just, I mean, wow, I don't know what to say. But the pool is relaxing, and there's nothing better than to take a nice swim and just enjoy your beautiful surroundings, especially when you're surrounded by nature. Wow, again, just taking in this view is amazing. I just can't take my eyes off of it. I mean, the sky is beautiful, it's lovely. Over there we are looking at the city of Chiquimula down there, and it's just, you know, again, a breathtaking view. We're just, you know, enjoying it all. Again, being on this off the hidden path in Guatemala, we're showing you the different adventures here at NV Adventure Park. They have so many different activities that you could you know, just try. You know, if you're daring, there's paragliding. These are the equipment that they use for paragliding if you're that adventurous. But I'm not that adventurous, and I will not be doing the paragliding. This is the area where they actually depart from, you know, with all of their equipments and everything like that, and they literally take a flying leap into the abyss, and, you know, and they go into their whole paragliding flight mode. Again, I will not be doing that. But to those who are brave at heart and love that type of adventure, yay! Again, the view here is amazing. There's nothing like this breathtaking view. I feel like I could reach and touch the sky.
Es para el cuerpo. Sí, déjamelo aquí.
And so taking a moment to just, you know, relax and enjoy my drink. You can't go on vacation without enjoying a nice cocktail. So, you know, cheers to you. I'm going to enjoy my cocktail right now. Here's a little bit of the preview of, you know, those adventurous people who are about to embark on the Woo, on the
Paragliding.
paragliding, you know. So, yeah, again, kudos to them. And away they go.
Go. That's scary.
Yeah, it looks really adventurous.
And you know what? What I think that for you to ride that paraglide is about 100 US dollars per flight, and it takes anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes to be on the air. Would you
Yeah.
do it?
No, I wouldn't. That's why I'm watching and recording and watching them enjoy it. Because, yeah, I don't think you would do it either because you're the ones who sent me out on all the adventures while you sat back and recorded.
And folks, the hotel, it's actually cabañas, and also what would you call the other ones? Little cabins. They're about 850 quetzales a night per person, and we stayed in a beautiful cabaña, and that one was about 1,200 quetzales per night, and includes air conditioning, beautiful LED lights in the bed, and it's just beautiful. But there is no TV because you're out in the mountains and you want to be adventurous, so they remove TV. The only thing available is internet.
Yeah, you don't need a TV when you have, again, all these wonderful activities that you could immerse yourself in. TV not required. So I didn't miss having a TV. We actually spent more time outdoors and enjoying, the different activities that we choose to enjoy. The music, inside the restaurant was really nice. They had a lot of classical music that was played, and we enjoyed that with our cocktail.
Not only that, the international drinks, to be able to have from the most famous drinks in the world to like the local, also famous drinks like Ron Zacapa and all of that. It's just amazing that they're able to also have a nice cafe where you could actually get espresso, Americano.
It was a nice restaurant. It was more than a cafe. It was a beautiful, full restaurant that had like delicious gourmet food. And, I think the highlight for me was all the delicious food I ate over these past couple of days. There's pictures that we'll upload to show you all the delicious meals that we had. But again, the adventures, even though we didn't participate like in the more death-defying adventures like paragliding, but we did enjoy watching those people who partake in that adventure, and just wow, it was just amazing to witness that. I'd never been up close watching this. Real life, I've seen it on TV, but I've never actually seen it in person. So it was really great to see the whole process of them, buckling up and taking off into the sky. And, that was wonderful. It was a nice show for me.
Would you say that you're the only Garifuna or the first Garifuna to ever visit the NV Adventure Park in Chiquimula?
I think I probably am the only Garifuna who've ever ventured out this far, and I hope more Garifuna and just more Guatemalans in general, take the opportunity to explore all the different hidden places throughout Guatemala. And even if you're not from Guatemala, if you're watching this video, if you're anywhere in Central America, North America, Europe, or whatever, Africa, look at this. We even have camels. Who would have thought that I would be riding a camel in Guatemala in the midst of I think it's, what is it, spring here right now? In spring, that I would be riding a camel.
Camel ride.
Like, this is amazing. When I, the 22 years or so that I have been visiting Guatemala, I never once imagined that one day I will come to Guatemala and ride a camel. Never thought about that, and that never crossed my mind. But here we are. I am about to get on the camel and have my first experience camelback riding.
The camel ride, it's 100 quetzales, so it's about 14 US dollars per ride. The paragliding, it's 100 US, we said, right? It's about 800 quetzales to ride. And also they have a little chopper a little plane that you ride, and it's like a gliding thing. And that one is pretty expensive. That one is almost 1,600 quetzales, so twice as much, probably close to $220 to ride. And it's just noisy, and it flies right around the mountainous area where we were at.
Well, if you're coming to a nice vacation like that, you're not worrying about the price. The price is not an option. You just make sure that your husband has a nice fat wallet and he's willing to pay for all these adventures that you want to take. So, yeah, it was really great. You know, getting on the camel, it wasn't even like intimidating at all. I mean, the last time we were here, I got on the horse. I think that was a little bit more intimidating than actually getting on the camel. I felt really, really secure and comfortable, you know, and the ride was just amazing. You know, at first you just kind of have to get your balance, but you know, that back thing that they had, you know, I never felt, you know, unsafe at any time. When I was on top of the camel, I just really felt good, and I enjoyed the point of view that I had being on top of the camel, and it was just amazing. I would do it again. I would recommend it to anybody to just, hey, hop on the camel and just experience this once in a lifetime opportunity.
The good thing about this park is like the drive from Rio Hondo. So from Rio Hondo, which is the main highway going to Puerto Barrios, to go to Chiquimula, it's about an hour and 20 minutes all the way from Rio Hondo to the village that we were at, which is up high in the mountains. So once you hit the end of the road, a little ahead of Chiquimula city, then that's where you enter the little small road. Sometimes there is pavement, and some other, the majority of the section, it was just off-road. And you gotta climb up and up and up all the way until you reach this area, which is highly secluded.
But you know, let's just take a moment to just enjoy this you know, this ride, this camel ride. You know, let's just take it in.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, my wife got some type of repentance, and she didn't want to do it because it's a scary.
I freaked out. No.
So Cheryl, what happened?
I totally freaked out. I saw the whole thing up close and I was like, no. I'm not that adventurous anymore. I mean, back in my days when I was younger, yes, but no. I've done bungee jumping. I've done so many other things, but no, I know my strength and my weakness, and no, I'll leave these to somebody else.
Here's the gear that she was going to be wearing, but quack, quack, quack.
Wah, wah, wah.